IKONN User Guide Series, Built-in Functions. In this video, we'll go over all of the controller's built-in functions, one by one. If you're unsure about any of the shown steps, you can check the previous videos in this playlist, where we explain the basics. The default icon features are available right after turning the device on. Once you hear the doubled beep, you are in the clock position. Click the OK button to hear the time or hold down OK to hear the date.
The time is 12:30. Today is Friday, the 12th of January.
You can set the time in the Settings menu. Above the clock, there is an alarm clock app.
Alarm clock.
It allows you to set up to 5 alarms, either as a one-time alert or with recurring options for a selected weekday or every day.
Alarm 1 not set. Press the arrow buttons to scroll. Press OK to select. Alarm 2 not set. Alarm 3 not set. Alarm 3 setting 0 hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0 minutes. 59, 58, 57. Alarm repeat just once. Sunday. Monday. Monday. Hold down OK to record a short name tag. Short press OK to skip recording and confirm. Alarm 3 set. 6:57. Monday.
After setting the alarm, you will be pushed back to the alarm list. Here you can set the other alarms or turn off the previously set ones. When the set alarm expires, you can dismiss it with a button press.
Alarm 3 expired.
Press Cancel to go back to the main menu.
Main menu. Alarm clock.
Next up is the Voice Memo app.
Voice memo.
It enables you to record and store short voice messages, which can serve as personal reminders.
New recording. Use the arrow buttons to choose between playback or recording a memo. Long press OK to record a memo. Press OK again to stop recording.
Ensure you speak directly to the microphone during the memo recording.
Remember the bank appointment on Wednesday.
Recording saved.
You can record more memos or go to the playback menu to hear your messages.
Use the arrow buttons to choose between playback or recording a memo. Playback. The 12th of January, 13:22. Press the arrow buttons to scroll. Short press OK to play or long press OK to delete a memo.
Remember the bank appointment on Wednesday.
Timer.
Timer lets you set up to 3 individual timers, which can be stopped and restarted as needed.
Press the arrow buttons to scroll. Press OK to select. Timer 1. Timer 2. Timer 2, setting 5 minutes. 6 minutes, setting 0 seconds. 55. 50. Hold down OK to record a short name tag. Short press OK to skip recording and confirm. Timer 2 started. Time remaining 6 minutes 50 seconds.
Like the alarm app, you can dismiss the expired timer with a button press.
Timer 2 expired.
Games function offers simple, interactive features such as a virtual coin toss and dice roll, allowing you to make random selections or add a playful element to daily activities.
Games. Toss a coin. Press OK to toss a coin. Each press gives a new result. Heads. Tails. Add new product.
Add new product function connects your IKONN controller to other compatible devices. This functionality will be covered in detail in the video on compatible devices.
Settings.
There is a settings entry which allows you to set and customize various aspects of your IKONN controller.
Settings. Battery level.
You can visit the following entries.
Measurement units. Bathroom scale. Factory reset. Set the date. Clock settings menu. Extended help. Battery level. Training.
The training program helps to familiarize you with operating the product.
This training program will help you quickly become
It takes about
familiar
12
with
minutes
my
to
controls
complete,
and what
but you can take as much time as you want and revisit the content by stepping backward. Stay tuned. In the next video, we explore the Add New Product function and explain how to connect to a compatible device. Thank you for watching.